Color e-readers are genuinely the biggest leap forward in e-ink technology in years, bringing vivid covers, colorful comics, and highlighted notes to the paper-like reading experience you love. In 2026, they're better than ever. Whether you want compact simplicity or a full writing tablet, I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to Tech B. We cover the tech and gear that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The Kobo Libra Color is the genuine best overall flagship pick, delivering a larger premium color e-ink display with Kobo's renowned reading-focused design and versatility. The standout is the genuine combination of a larger, comfortable display and a vibrant color e-ink, which delivers genuinely gorgeous color book covers, comics, and highlights on a spacious screen that's genuinely comfortable for long reading sessions, a real advantage for serious readers who want the best overall color reading experience. The physical page-turn buttons add genuine tactile convenience, and the stylus support lets you genuinely take notes and annotate directly on the screen. The adjustable warm front light suits genuine reading, day or night, and the waterproof design protects against genuine spills and bath reading. Kobo's open format support handles genuine library ebooks and various file types with ease, and Kobo's reputation for the best e-readers backs it. For anyone who wants the genuine best overall color e-reader with a premium size and versatile features, the Kobo Libra Color is the most well-rounded, most flagship pick on this entire list. The Kobo Libra Color delivers a premium color reading experience with versatile features and a spacious display. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. The best all-round color e-reader. The Amazon Kindle Colorsoft is the genuine best Amazon ecosystem pick, bringing color e-ink to Kindle's beloved reading experience with seamless access to the largest ebook library. The standout is the genuine combination of vibrant color e-ink and deep Amazon Kindle ecosystem integration, which delivers genuinely colorful book covers and highlights while giving you instant seamless access to the genuinely massive Kindle store and Kindle Unlimited library. A real advantage for anyone already invested in Amazon's ecosystem. The crisp, genuinely sharp text rendering makes reading comfortable for hours, and the adjustable warm light suits genuine reading in any lighting. The waterproof design protects against genuine spills and bath reading, and the long battery life lasts genuine weeks between charges. The simple, genuinely intuitive Kindle interface makes browsing and reading effortless, and Amazon's massive reputation and library backs it. For anyone who wants genuine color e-ink with the best access to books through Amazon, the Kindle Colorsoft is the most ecosystem integrated, most library extensive pick on this entire list. The Amazon Kindle Colorsoft brings color e-ink to the largest ebook library with seamless Kindle integration. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Color reading, Kindle's library. The BOOX Tablet 10.3 is the genuine, versatile Android tablet pick, delivering a much larger color e-ink display, running full Android for genuine multi-purpose reading, writing, and app use. Where the other devices on this list are dedicated e-readers, the BOOX is a genuine full Android e-ink tablet, a real advantage for anyone who wants far more than reading, like note-taking apps, PDF annotation, web browsing, and more, all on a paper-like color display. The standout is the genuine large 10.3-inch color e-ink screen, combined with full Android functionality, which lets you genuinely install apps, browse the web, and use productivity tools alongside reading. A real versatility advantage that dedicated e-readers can't match. The stylus support enables genuine detailed note-taking and PDF markup, and the large display suits genuine textbooks, comics, and documents beautifully. The open Android ecosystem adds genuine App Store flexibility, and BOOX's reputation for versatile e-ink tablets backs it. For anyone who wants a genuine, large, versatile Android-powered color e-ink tablet beyond just reading, the BOOX Tablet 10.3 is the most versatile, most multi-purpose pick on this entire list. The BOOX Tablet 10.3 delivers a large color e-ink display running full Android for genuine multi-purpose use, and the price in the description reflects that versatility. Check the link below and grab it today. Beyond reading, genuinely versatile. The Kobo Clara Color is the genuine compact everyday pick, delivering vibrant color e-ink in Kobo's smaller, genuinely pocketable form factor at a more accessible price than the Libra. Where the Libra Color is Kobo's larger flagship, the Clara Color focuses on genuine compact portability and everyday value, a real advantage for anyone who wants color e-ink without the larger size or higher cost. The standout is the genuine combination of vibrant color e-ink and compact, lightweight portability, which delivers genuinely colorful covers and highlights in a small, genuinely pocketable device that's easy to carry everywhere, a real advantage for commuters and casual readers. The adjustable warm light suits genuine reading day or night, and the waterproof design protects against genuine spills. Kobo's open format support handles genuine library ebooks with ease, and the long battery life lasts genuine weeks. Kobo's reputation for quality e-readers backs it. For anyone who wants genuine compact, portable color e-ink at a more accessible price, the Kobo Clara Color is the most compact, most everyday portable pick on this entire list. The Kobo Clara Color delivers vibrant color e-ink in a genuinely compact, portable, more accessible package. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Color reading, pocket-sized. Closing out the list with the Amazon Kindle Scribe Colorsoft, the genuine large writing and reading pick, combining Kindle's color e-ink with a genuinely large canvas and full stylus support for note-taking alongside reading. Where the standard Colorsoft focuses on pure reading, the Scribe Colorsoft steps up with genuine writing and note-taking capability on a much larger display. A real advantage for anyone who wants to annotate books, journal, or take notes alongside their reading. The standout is the genuine combination of a large color e-ink canvas and premium stylus support, which lets you genuinely write directly on the screen, mark up documents, and journal, all while enjoying colorful book covers and highlights across a genuinely spacious display. A real advantage for writers and note-takers. The crisp text rendering suits genuine long reading sessions, and Amazon's massive Kindle library provides genuine easy access to books. The premium build feels genuinely high-end, and Amazon's ecosystem backs it. For anyone who wants genuine large format color reading combined with writing capability, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft is the most writing-focused, most large canvas pick on this entire list. The Amazon Kindle Scribe Colorsoft combines color e-ink with a large canvas and full stylus support for writing. And the price in the description reflects that premium capability. Check the link below and grab it today. Read, write, all in color. Almost done. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right color e-reader, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right color e-reader, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.